Hi, I'm Rosie Batista with I Cook Naked. Of course, I'm not really naked, but I am bringing you a naked recipe because all of these ingredients have only one ingredient in them. So that I consider them a naked food. And we're making a tuna lentil salad. So I have a can of tuna fish, some prepared lentils, some leftover brown rice, some pecans, cilantro, raisins, and onions. And all we're going to do is put this all together with some lemon juice and some rice vinegar. And we're going to have an amazing, easy salad. So we're going to dump in our tuna. You can actually get dry lentils, and they're really easy to make, or you can do the lazy way out and buy already steamed lentils. And all you have to do is open up the package and they're already done. So that's what I did today. Rice, leftover from last night's dinner, some chopped pecans, some cilantro, fresh, some raisins, and some diced up onions. Going to add some fresh lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons, and about 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And that is it. You have a perfect substitute for mayonnaise, heavy laden tuna salad, and we have an amazing, naked, delicious lunch. Ciao for now, while I go chow on this.